back to the Madcast. This is Rohan and the crew because I'm special. इसलिए मेरा नाम लिया जाएगा. Just kidding. We have Nidhi, Saurabh, Rutvik, Siddesh and Bhavya in the order and how I see them on my screen. And today we're doing something different with ourselves. We are playing a game. Hopefully one of many. So today what we're going to do is we have statements with us which we will be presenting to the other team members, and then the other team members have placards like this. I can't hold it right. Still up ulta. Sorry, you get it what I'm doing. You get what I'm doing. Anyway, that being said, we will have conversations about these topics as to why everybody has their opinions about said statements. And then we will hopefully break into a huge fight and create a great video.
Yeah.
That being said,
Controversial video.
Now I shall pass the mantle to Saurabh and ask him to commence the game.
Hi guys, so today I hope that this is one of many episodes of such type, and I think that every episode will have its own theme. जिसके related हम questions या फिर statements देंगे. So today's theme I thought we would start off with something light. So unpopular food opinions seems to be a good thing to start on, because some people have disgusting opinions about food. No offense. But
Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's start. So I'll go first. Okay, also, this might be really unpopular. I think cold fries are better than warm ones.
Siddesh?
Okay, so
Well. Let me give my justification as to why. Because I always, I don't know, because हर बार हम लोग we rarely go and have fries at McDonald's or any place, right? We generally order them or just take away. So वो order करके घर आने तक आधा घंटा हो जाता है, take away करके घर आने तक 15 मिनट हो जाता है, और तब तक it becomes very not even medium warm, it becomes cold and sort of even soggy. And I think when it's like cold, the taste actually comes through. When it's warm,
it enhances
just warm,
the taste.
It burns your tongue. And I don't want that. I want to taste the fries. I don't want the fries to burn my tongue.
Completely agreed.
I think that, and even this might be a psychological thing or not, but I think colder fries actually absorb the ketchup better. I don't know, because it suddenly tastes better with colder fries.
But I agree.
Yeah,
I agree.
So I agree. And let's see what the other agree people say.
Agree in
okay,
red.
first all the agreeers will tell us what they think. Disgusting
okay.
agreeers.
Can I start?
All about it.
Yeah, I'll start. So
Yeah,
the thing
go
is, firstly, कि potatoes are assholes because वो बाहर से ठंडे होते हैं और अंदर से गर्म होते हैं. So and I
Oh yeah.
don't really like garam things, and that's the first reason. And secondly, as Saurabh ने कहा कि the whole thanda thing, it enhances the taste in my opinion. I know it's weird, and so am I, but still, I mean, yeah.
But
Thank you, I'm done here. It is what it is. Yeah.
It is what it is.
Acha, anyway.
Yeah.
And it's like, you burn your mouth on the first French fry and then you don't
Yeah,
even
exactly.
get the taste of rest
You
of
don't
it.
have to eat.
Like, why would
And
you
it's
want
like
that?
sizzling hot.
And you don't even get to have the burger, the good stuff afterward, because you can't taste it.
Exactly.
Okay, so
और दोस्तों the main thing is गरम fries खाने के time taste लगता ही नहीं है. It is like just
That is
something.
It just
हाँ,
tastes
exactly.
like
It's like
eating something
McDonald's.
सिर्फ मुंह जल रहा है, taste तो आ नहीं रहा.
हाँ बस हाँ ना भाई, बस बाहर का नमक लग रहा है मुंह में और तब तूफान हो गया अंदर.
I like the whole soggy thing. It
like
generally has a better feel to it. I mean.
I know.
So
Fries की बात कर रहा हूँ.
agree.
so और क्या?
Gee.
What else can
What
be
else
soggy
I-
that could be wrong? I don't want to know. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. Anyway,
This is
so
PG.
I'll tell you.
Not really, but yeah. Moving on.
Okay, so me and Nidhi disagree to this. I'll start with my reasons. First of all, because all of you are wrong. And secondly, because you don't have to eat fries out of the fucking fryer, right? You can let them get properly.
Soda.
Also, secondly, once they get colder, they start tasting like the oil that they are fried in, sort of like chemicalish. You can taste that, which is
It gets all mushy
No, they
and
don't.
just baby
Yes,
food
it-
types, you know, like it's just like,
Exactly.
ugh.
It's a cold mush.
Uska, one of the, I think, in my opinion, one of the most like selling points of fries is like it being hot, you know,
Yeah,
like,
and
because like अच्छा लगता है.
exactly.
I-
Oh,
Tell me,
the
bro,
selling
when
point
did
of
you la-
fries is just to binge eat it,
Potato.
not hot
No,
or
so
cold.
fries are a comfort food, right?
हाँ
How can
Exactly,
a
and cold is comfort.
sad, nervous mush?
Cold
How
is
can that be nice?
Cold is comfort, bro.
No, it's
Cold
the
fries
warmth,
are
the
comforting because
coziness.
see,
It's the warmth
yeah,
and
यहाँ पे
coziness
no one
in
is
fresh fries. That's
Yeah,
If
yeah, see,
stale
yeah, but
fries
no-
were a thing, they would serve us
Cold
fries
fries.
cold only.
Exactly. They are.
I'm sad
But how-
they don't.
Nidhi, is there a thing called cold frying? No, nah. It will be hot by default.
So they'll keep it until it
Yeah.
gets.
That's
So
the
ice cream sandwich is baked and then served hot, right? It is baked and then cooled up.
See,
and
no
served.
one here is saying that warm fries are disgusting. I just think that cold ones
But
are
cold
better.
fries are slightly better.
No, they're not.
Exactly.
Warm fries are the
Not
best.
slightly, bro. It's way better.
हाँ,
They're much better. But
They're
yeah,
much better.
Warm fries are the best.
We are in the majority, yo.
yeah.
हाँ तो
Well,
majority
yes,
नहीं
we
है
will.
ना?
This is majority game, okay?
it's just opinions, but we win.
Yeah, but we won.
let's move on.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah, okay, moving on. I think this is going next.
Nidhi, yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Okay. Caramel popcorn is overrated.
Oh, where are you, bro?
Strongly.
Completely agree.
Strongly.
No.
बहुत गंदा लगता है बहुत. किसने बनाया इसको?
I mean, okay. Oh, let's let Nidhi answer. Okay.
What happened, bro?
His brain also lags.
उसका recorder अटक गया.
मेरा वो freeze हो
Okay,
गया.
okay.
Broken
Then I
record.
was like you all only when I first heard about caramel popcorn. I was like, sweet is never supposed to go with, you know, like popcorn. But when I tried it, wow.
It
Now
was
I know
a
that.
taste. We know
Was
that.
it amazing? So it's
हाँ.
like sweet and crunchy. Isn't that like amazing? Like, why would you
No.
not?
Oh, hell
Like-
no.
You are
Yes.
Nidhi, you're describing a chocolate here, not popcorn. Sweet and crunchy
If
is
you
what
want
chocolate is
chocolate,
supposed to
you
be,
go buy chocolate.
not popcorns.
I don't like
Exactly.
caramel with chocolate actually. I like caramel with like
Caramel
popcorn.
खाना butterscotch ice cream
You
खाया
have
bro.
weird taste,
Mm,
bro.
mm.
No, she does not because I'm with her again.
No, bro. What she is doing, what she likes is wasting 300 rupees.
You don't have
Arey,
to
it's
waste
not on
300
it's
rupees.
not about the
Price
300
are
rupees,
there.
right? It's like
Are
popcorn.
But to be
Popcorn
fair,
मीठा
even
कौन
even
खाता है?
even plastic salted are for 300 rupees as
Exactly.
theaters, so fuck the theaters.
अरे it's
But
not
yeah.
about the price, रे, but मीठा popcorn क्या चीज है? I mean, it
Why
doesn't
not?
fucking exist.
अरे हाँ.
It tastes
minute.
bad.
एक मिनट मीठा
Brain
उपमा
की brain
exists.
की popcorn is
ऋतु
supposed to be salty.
एक करके
You know?
ऋत्विक, the thing is, इसमें है ना हर पॉपकॉर्न मीठा भी नहीं है भाई, बीच में ही
it's
मीठा है,
like-
बीच में ही कुछ
exactly.
अलग लग रहा है. क्या
You
है ये?
haven't had good quality caramel popcorn. Then. That's not on me.
Dude.
Okay?
Dude, I paid
I don't
fucking
have
150
rupees for this size. So I definitely have had like good quality popcorn. And they suck. So yeah.
Also, एक
हाँ.
I
minute.
completely agree.
So first things first. मीठा उपमा exists, no? उससे किसी को
This is
problem
also
नहीं है.
interesting. Let's be
Chocolate
honest.
Yes.
sandwich exists. Nobody has a problem with that.
I have an
So
issue
what
with
is-
meetha upma.
Then,
Bro.
then you have issues
हाँ
with everything.
ना,
That's a
मीठा
problem,
उपमा
dude.
शीरा अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
I am Arnab.
You don't have a sweet tooth. That's the problem.
Anyway,
Caramel popcorn is
बोलना
not the
जरा क्यों पसंद क्यों
I've said
बोलना.
something
Because dude,
controversial.
it's
हाँ.
like slightly warm because it's like display temperature as I call it, and it's caramel, so it's sort of sweet, sort of salty. It's crunchy.
Which is
Caramel is not
bad.
salty. It's purely sweet.
बिल्कुल
No.
नहीं. It is
No,
It's
हाँ, it is
no,
pure
it's
sweet.
Kind of
अरे वही
salty.
तो डिस-
अरे but it's
है.
caramel popcorn, no dumbass.
Exactly.
अरे वही तो
उसमें-
By
डिस्टिंग
default, a little
टेस्ट करता है,
salty, so
बीच
yeah.
में मीठा, बीच में सॉल्टी. क्या है ये?
अरे I mean caramel खाना तो उसको butterscotch आइसक्रीम के साथ खाओ ना. Why like mix it with popcorn?
हाँ
Because it tastes great.
It's
बराबर,
good.
No, it
agree.
doesn't.
Yes, it does. Of course it does. So, okay, I'll tell you one thing. Multiple ingredient के साथ तू कभी खाया नहीं है क्या कुछ? मतलब क्या है?
Dude, that some taste better.
And लेकिन
Caramel
those
popcorn is
those
not
things generally go
one of them.
together.
So this
Like
also.
caramel popcorn don't
हाँ.
go together.
Caramel popcorn does as well.
Nidhi took it personally.
Nidhi is going to have a breakdown over this question.
This is like Milo Salo.
I feel very strongly about caramel popcorn. Okay, I'm very protective about it. It's like everyone shits on it, but it's
About
like
popcorn?
good, you know. Like you just haven't given it a
That's
fair
priorities.
chance. Yeah.
Okay,
And,
okay.
and,
Can
and
we-
other thing why I disagree is, see, be it salted or be it cheese popcorn, you know, they are like a bit crunchy, you know. When you add the caramel, they become soggy. I know I like soggy fries, but I don't
What?
like soggy popcorn.
Dude,
I like
you've had
crunchy popcorn.
something like
That's-
some raw.
I don't have this experience, but
Yes,
in my
because
opinion, this happens.
not like soggy, but they become a little munchy and not crispy.
अजीब
If
तो
that
हो
makes
जाता है
sense.
थोड़ा.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
this is the
हाँ
truth.
भाई अजीब तो होता है.
One more reason I love caramel popcorn is because like cheese popcorn, they don't leave dust all over your hands, you know.
Yes.
They don't
That's
become
also a
so
thing.
What?
That's such a
कुछ
Your
भी
hands end up being
पूरा
sticky
sticky
at the
sticky
end.
होता है.
Caramel popcorn
पूरा
खाने के
हाँ
बाद
ना.
भी.
Not
इतना?
sticky because
हाँ
the
ना,
caramel
ऐसा
is like
लगता है.
inside. Look at
और-
me
क्या
defending.
कर रही है
However-
लाइफ में?
However, वो डस्ट
कुछ भी
डस्ट
point.
की तरह हर जगह फैलता नहीं है रे. तू खाएगा फिर चाट लेगा उंगली खत्म बात उधर ही. You're
So
like,
that's what we can do
कुछ
with the
भी.
cheese one as well. Yeah.
but it's
हाँ.
dust. It's dust. It gets everywhere.
What? It's fucking masala. It's not dust.
I mean,
हाँ ना.
Anywhere.
regardless we win
Let's
again
go.
because
Let's move
4v2.
forward.
हाँ we
Okay,
won
yeah,
we
let's-
won.
हाँ, अरे इधर
अच्छा,
one
अच्छा,
lose
next
क्या
one,
है
next
चाला?
one. I'll go next. I'll go next.
Okay.
Anyway, there isn't
Yeah.
one lose,
Just
but
like
let's
Mr.
finish.
Rohan said कि उपमा का thing. So in my opinion, तीखा उपमा, that is upma, is better than मीठा शीरा. Who else agrees with this?
Upma is
Anyway.
better than Shira.
Better than Shira. Let's go with that.
Yeah, upma is better than sheera, and I mean it's my statement, so I
anytime
Oh, it's
उपमा के
only
ऊपर
me.
थोड़ा सेव डाल दो.
I
भारी लगता है भाई.
क्या बात.
Everybody is
क्या
agree.
लगता
Oh,
है?
Nidhi, you are disagree.
Nidhi
Fine,
is
fine.
disagree.
Nidhi, go
I
first.
want to hear this.
Yeah,
I'm
let's go.
all
Yeah.
alone.
देखो सब
let's
मीठा
not-
मीठा पसंद.
Let's
I'm
not
biased.
discuss personal lives here. Let's just stick with the questions.
I am kind
हाँ,
of
right.
biased because I do have a sweet tooth, so I always prefer sweeter things. And my
Yeah.
mom makes upma with like so much of things कि मेरे को नहीं पसंद वो, तो I just prefer शीरा which is like plain, एकदम sweet, nice.
तो
It's like
उपमा में कचरा नहीं डालने का, सिंपल.
वो मेरे माँ को
Shira,
सिखाती.
Eliminate like
Shira-
butter
Shira is
and
nice,
your
but like,
curry
you know,
leaves,
वो-
इसको eliminate
वो
कर
डालते
दो.
हैं ना, तो क्या बोलते
बन
हैं?
गया
But
मस्त
I have to
whatever.
like pick it off and like बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है, and I would prefer शीरा over. I am very lazy.
नहीं,
I'm
तू-
sorry.
हाँ वही तू आल.
You really have like some weird ass food taste.
Hey, what is it?
But it just differs, okay? It's not
No, no,
weird.
it's-
okay?
Exactly.
अच्छा, I'll explain कि मेरा ऐसा क्यों है. So firstly, I believe कि वो मीठा बहुत बेकार लगता है because of the whole texture of it. It looks bad. It tastes bad.
What?
And वो तीखा, अरे because of the texture of वो क्या रवा होता है ना, I guess.
हाँ, रवा ही होता है.
रवा सा बनता है ना,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
रवा का
हाँ.
जो सॉफ्ट होने के बाद जो टेक्सचर है वो मीठा बहुत ज्यादा बेकार लगता है.
Yeah, I agree because
And
मतलब-
and one more reason, this is like a very personal thing. मैं I guess 3rd standard or 4th standard में था, and once I puked when I ate the मीठा वाला शीरा, and उस दिन से बहुत बुरा दुश्मनी है मेरा.
ये वाला नहीं पता था तो भी
Very
चलता.
personal story.
God.
Shira before.
क्या क्या?
I mean,
Thanks भाई.
I'll go why I strongly agree with this because see, this is my personal probably psychological thing. It's like कुछ भी जो मीठा रहेगा ना, that is automatically a dessert. Okay,
Yeah.
automatic
That's
in
what
my
my
mind.
mind was.
But
Sort of.
upma is like you have it. It's like spicy. It's nice. It's a little salty.
It's a breakfast item. तो वो
You-
मीठा
Yeah,
you can have
that's
you
good.
you can have upma. as
मीठा
a
कौन खाता है
meal
ब्रेकफास्ट
itself,
में?
But you can't have.
खाता
Shira-
क्या? You don't need bananas, fruits and all क्या? It's
अरे
meat only.
बनाना is a different story. It's a fruit रे, but मतलब breakfast
But
करने के लिए आज
cereal
चलो
is
मीठा खाते
fast.
हैं.
Breakfast
It's
food,
there.
cereal is sweet, so you know like.
Darling, you
I
don't have a
don't eat
chocolate
cereal.
cake for breakfast, no? I mean,
Yeah, I mean, like I was saying, ki,
But Shira is
Upma
not
is like-
cake.
nah, sorry.
but
I'm
Nidhi,
sorry.
you can't.
That's it.
But
I'm
like
going.
in my opinion, you can't have Shira as a meal in itself, right? While
Huh.
upma
So
is
what? I couldn't hear you.
is a meal in itself because
अच्छा,
that is in my mind ki something sweet is automatically a dessert
Hmm.
or a starter or something like that, you know. But not a
मतलब
main
कुछ
course.
तीखा लगने के बाद थोड़ा सा खाया एंड
Yeah,
में,
exactly.
फाइन.
Exactly. It's like थोड़ा राइस नहीं खाया तो लगता नहीं कि खाना खाया नहीं.
अच्छा तो तेरे लिए ऐसा it's like conclusion food like after you've eaten tikha
No,
then you
It gives
Shira
him
is,
closure.
yes, Shira is,
ha
yes.
that's what I was saying.
Shira gives him closure with his food. Anyway, I tell you, but the only reason I don't hate, but I don't like Shira is because it's 70% ghee. Like that's it.
But that depends on the cook also. You know,
But
like
you can't. So you can't.
You
like,
can't make Shira in oil, bro.
Generally speaking.
Exactly. Generally,
no,
just
the
Shira is
amount.
might
Amount
be.
is-
But still, it's like ghee का ही है वो पूरा.
Exactly. It's still like majorly ghee, which is like, and also if like the next best thing would be to drink it out of the can. Like drink ghee straight from the can. That's how much ghee it has.
Yeah.
So that's I feel
How are
like
you
it's,
cooking the shira, bro? My mom makes it like very, you know, like
ये तो judge करना
it's
चाहिए.
like solid only. It's not semi-liquid, semi-solid.
Of course,
Yeah.
it's still
Right.
solid.
Yeah.
Of course, it is still Of course, it's still solid, but then like it's still like tastes and smells like ghee a lot. Which is, are you drinking beer?
Root beer.
Hopefully not.
ठीक है.
Hey, this is a very like kid-friendly channel. Okay?
Exactly.
I won't do that.
Also, you're
Not
underage to
kid-friendly, but
drink.
definitely not like underage drinking or whatever.
Yeah, you're underage.
हाँ ना.
Please.
I'm 20. Hello.
Yeah, you need to be 25. Anyway, that being said,
No.
21 at
21
the
at
very
least.
least.
for
Yeah.
beer, no.
So
Anyway, moving
not
on.
the point.
Who's taking?
यहाँ हम लोग
Yeah.
बहुत बह
Next
गए.
is
Who's going next?
Siddesh. Who seems
No,
to-
next is I think
Yeah.
Bhavya. Bhavya had been disconnected. Now we are back. Now Bhavya, you go.
Yeah, so I think coffee is very overrated. First.
Strongly
Can you
disagree and I
please-
take it personally.
Very strongly, very strongly. Very, very strong by the way.
Okay.
Like any one of you who follow me on Instagram,
Very
they know कि मैंने बहुत मेहनत लेके अभी Starbucks वाला कॉफी बना था दोपहर में. So I love coffee.
I mean, I do follow you, but I didn't know that.
I mean, we are in the
Because you're an
minority.
asshole.
I mean,
Anyway.
yeah.
Okay, let her explain.
Yeah,
So
Bhavya.
it is bitter. I've tasted like several coffee just in case I like it. Like I was seeing everybody drinking coffee. I was like, let me just try it. But no, I hated the taste. I can't even go to a coffee shop without hating the smell. But this is personal. It is bitter, man. How do you like bitter? That's horrible.
Yeah,
It's
yes,
disgusting.
exactly. I mean,
It is
Just
disgusting.
murdered a part of me. Anyway.
I mean,
I'm okay
see,
with that. I don't care.
Yeah, even I don't care. Anyway, okay, let's move on.
yeah. Okay, let the minority finish. Okay, so
Ah, yeah, go.
Mm.
I agree that it's bitter, and it is not a taste that people grow to even like. It's not like
Yeah.
any other drink, which is bad at first and then it becomes good. No, people just get addicted to the caffeine, and then it's like they seem that they think they like the taste, but they
Yeah,
like
it's
the
a psychological thing.
yeah,
Like
and
they get used to the taste of it.
exactly they get used to the taste. And दूसरा मतलब, I mean, क्या है मतलब, what is this thing? What are
It is
what
also-
were humans thinking when they came up with coffee? I mean,
Coffee, I know.
Whatever they were thinking, I'm very thankful. Okay.
Amen. Amen, sister.
Let me tell you why.
I mean,
It's not
it's just people are addicted to the caffeine itself and not the taste of coffee, because
Taste of
honestly,
Yeah.
I mean,
I
let's
you.
be,
Okay, I can
Not
agree
everybody.
with
Let's-
some
let's-
people
let's
like
be-
that, but not everybody. Not everybody.
I mean,
is doing
let's
it
be
for the-
honest. Chai is 100 times better drink than coffee.
Fuck you.
No,
Fuck you.
that's wrong. Okay.
Super disagree, dude.
blatantly wrong. Yeah.
Dude, seriously.
I wish we made super disagree also now.
Yeah.
For this specific
I just
question.
add super
Okay,
over it.
well, Bhavya and I have laid out our
Huh,
points.
okay,
Maybe
so
well.
Nidhi, start.
Okay, so coffee, as you said, some people might be doing it for the energy, whatever. I don't do it, and like there is a choice of sweetening your coffee. ऐसा ठीक है, bitter है, fine, but it's also good. I just
Add
have
your
you ever
fucking
smelled
sugar.
coffee beans? Hello, they smell divine.
Yes.
No,
I
oh
know
my
chef's
god.
kiss.
Coffee bean. No, hell no, bro. I want to puke whenever I come.
I cannot.
cannot stand
I mean,
coffee
I mean,
at
it And even that, like another thing why I don't like coffee is like it has a taste which lingers in your mouth throughout the day. Like so
Yeah,
disgusting.
yeah.
I
That's
don't want
amazing.
the taste to linger in my mouth. I want my mouth to be neutral.
Okay.
मैं क्या
This is a very
बोलूं?
personal
Bitter
thing.
taste that
Coffee is
lingers.
Yeah.
Okay,
Even,
so we'll go.
even if
I
you
agree.
make your coffee sweet,
Okay,
the taste still is there
so-
in your mouth, bitter taste. So
Exactly. Thank you, Bhavya.
Okay, so I'll go. The thing
Yeah.
is कि firstly I'm immune to the caffeine boost वाला thing because मैं रात को भी कॉफी पीता है तो मेरे को नींद आ जाता है. तो मतलब कैफीन बूस्ट का मेरे साथ कोई सीन है नहीं.
you got addicted
And
to
secondly-
it
You gotta
so
stop.
much that
You
got
gotta
addicted
stop
so
at some
much
point.
that doesn't affect you
That's not
anymore.
healthy,
Yeah,
but
I
moving
know.
on.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah, I have a serious coffee addiction. I can accept this,
See,
but
that's what we're talking about. It's addiction.
Arey,
not like-
let him finish. Let him
it's the
finish.
addiction
Let
of
him
the
finish.
taste and not the
Let him
caffeine.
finish, let him finish. Yeah.
It's the addiction of the taste and the smell and not the this thing the caffeine. So मतलब उसका boost and all. And so मेरा coffee start हुआ like मैं बचपन में दूध नहीं पीता था. So my mom started adding little bit coffee in my milk. तो मैं पीने लग गया. And तब से I'm a proper drinker of coffee. Yes, full on. I'm a
So-
बेवड़ा coffee बेवड़ा.
So okay, so I'll go now. The only reason I agree to this is because I mean coffee is fucking amazing. So I'll tell you all, because so it's not necessarily like just one drink, you know. At least अपने पास चाय का दो variations है, ठीक है? There's black chai and then there's दूध वाला चाय. अभी obviously
green
उसके अंदर
tea.
कोई अगर कोई बोलेगा तो नहीं मैं उसमें शक्कर नहीं डालता है तो फिर वो घर पे लेके जाना because तुम्हारे घर पे होता है. That is not the general criteria of chai.
चाय में शक्कर बनता ही है. I mean, that is not an opinion thing. That is how chai is made.
That is another
Anyway,
हाँ
statement
मतलब
that
as
we'll
long as
discuss
you are not
later.
like drinking green tea for your health thingy, शक्कर तो चाहिए चाय.
That is another statement we'll discuss later.
Moving
Coffee
on,
is
moving
amazing,
on.
that's what we are.
Let's stick to the coffee thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So एक तो मतलब again you can also coffee is like super modular. Like you can create shit. And I never in the history of lockdowns has chai ever gotten a trend going. Okay, and everybody
Exactly.
here except me has tried Dalgona coffee.
Yes.
I can fucking bet that.
Yeah, I haven't
And
eaten
it
Yes,
tasted
I've
disgusting,
tried it
no?
and I hated
First
it,
of
but
all.
I
Yes,
don't know.
because
But
yes,
you'll try
because
it.
see.
But I'll try.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Of course we did, but see, but the thing is, chai is already up here, while coffee is like
Yeah.
trying so
Yeah,
hard
it
to
needs
get up
trends
there.
to
you know?
come up.
With all these
Exactly.
trends.
Chai- see,
That's very offensive. Okay, that's very.
Let's do one thing. Let's put
To
the
whom?
meme
To whom?
Arshad Wasi
I
का कहाँ
don't
से आते
know.
ये लोग on my
Offensive to whom?
Of its own. I said
Yeah, coffee has a
problems.
Also, I mean, while some people get addicted to caffeine, it is fucking necessary. Have you all never had fucking
Yes.
exams or shit?
And it's better than like drinking Red Bull or something.
Yeah,
बस
definitely.
घर पे coffee पियो.
Of course. Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
and I mean,
अच्छा, by the way, what Siddesh thinks about this? I want to know.
Healthy toxicity. Come on.
that's not a thing. I'm very
That
sure.
is-
That's not a
हम
thing.
लोग कम
That is a figure of speech
देखो।
which I can't remember the name, but yeah.
हाँ, Mr. Siddesh
Oxymoron.
बात कर
That's
रहे
no,
Chai-
it's not an oxymoron. Never mind. Moving on.
chai is always better than coffee. That I agree.
Yeah.
That's the question.
That's not the.
Statement.
हाँ,
coffee is overrated.
but नहीं, कॉफी ओवररेटेड नहीं है. It deserves what उसका जो कुछ स्टेटस है वो. I like coffee. It's good. It's damn
बस
good.
Coffee is
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
Coffee is better.
बस डालगोना पीने के बाद मेरा पेट बिगड़ गया था, वो अलग बात है.
हाँ ना, Dalgona is shit.
That's
Coffee is amazing.
yeah.
हाँ, वो
कॉफी इज अमेजिंग.
डालगोना सिर्फ इंटरनेट
I'm not saying it's bad by any. It's not disgusting by any means, but it's like मिला तो मिला नहीं तो fuck it.
Too much. As in, like, yeah, exactly. It doesn't
I mean,
deserve the.
अब
hype
वैसे
because
तो-
it's very
okay.
overrated.
वैसे तो
Hey,
चाय का
no,
भी है,
it
मिला तो
deserves.
मिला.
Exactly. Also,
Yeah,
like
moving
it's
on. Who's
it's
next?
very easy to make coffee. People can screw up tea like real bad. You can't really screw up
Yeah,
coffee.
you cannot screw up coffee.
If you
Are
can
you
screw up
serious?
coffee,
Yeah,
then
bro,
you're
yeah.
talented.
I mean,
Other-
technically not really
You
because
seriously need to get checked up if
Exactly.
you can screw up coffee.
I mean technically not really because you have that espresso coffee, you know, the Nescafe wala, but you also have tea bags, right? It's not really difficult.
नहीं भाई नहीं, चाय बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है.
But मतलब I'm not
Proper
a
सब
chai
चाहिए
drinker,
उसमें.
but वो tea bag वाला चाय बहुत बेकार लगता है in my opinion.
That's the lazy
Huh,
man
that
chai.
I-
हाँ, that's true.
It's
true.
like
that is like
Banana
the
to
cup of
banana.
the
Kai Saba.
facts that listen.
that's like the cup of noodles, Maggi wala.
exactly. It's like cup noodles.
You guys didn't ever taste proper tea, which is why you like coffee. That's
No,
what
dude, I have. I've been.
I
Okay,
agree, I
I think
agree.
that's
I'm not
tea
saying
and
tea is
chocolate,
bad.
yeah.
Tea
Yeah.
is
हाँ
nice.
right, I'm
But
also
coffee
not
is
saying
better.
that tea is bad.
Or coffee deserves
ऐसा
the
भी
hype
नहीं
that
है,
it
ऐसा
has.
भी नहीं है.
Okay, coffee
No, it
deserves all the
doesn't.
hype that it has.
No.
Definitely.
Tea is in a
I-
different league.
See,
Guys, guys.
This is
We can move on.
Guys, let's not compare tea और coffee रे. दोनों भी
Exactly.
अच्छा ही है.
They are in
मेरा
different
तो
yeah,
ऐसा
no,
है कि
But
I want
दोनों भी
to
अच्छा
I
ही
want to
है.
speak on coffee itself. Like it just came to my mind. कि तो वही बोला ना कि coffee deserves the hype that it gets. I think the only reason that coffee has hype is because chai only a few countries drink. Okay, if it became a
Exactly.
global trend,
Hmm.
chai would be definitely more popular
Chai
than
is-
coffee.
Chai is
No,
famous
बहुत
बहुत
in
countries
India.
चाय पीते हैं.
dude,
Because-
tea-
Actually,
No.
India
They
is
drink that
very
And-
famous.
Chai tea.
But
so I'm
as
not talking about
widely as
chai
coffee,
tea.
no.
हाँ तो
Yeah, exactly. It's
well
not
then
as
that's
इधर
the point for
यूरोपियन
coffee.
कंट्रीज में चाय पीते हैं.
Yeah, so coffee is better. Hence proved.
चाइना
that is
में
the point
चाय
for
पीते
coffee.
हैं,
No,
इंडिया
no,
में
no,
चाय
no,
पीते
no.
हैं.
No, coffee. Chai is like not overrated. No, coffee is overrated because people have not tried proper chai. Like
Exactly.
No, dude, that's not. ऐसा
Starbucks
कैसा?
का chai tea. What is chai tea?
अरे but then not
Chai
necessarily
tea,
that.
naan
No, we're
bread,
talking
I
about
mean, these
tea,
are
right?
What? Chai tea?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
like
Tea,
the
naan
In
bread.
other
thing
outer
called.
countries,
Yeah.
they sell it as chai tea.
Yeah, like apna chai is sold as chai
bread
tea.
naan.
We've had multiple teas from multiple like fucking continents and shit coming up, right?
Yeah.
Like, different like chai. You have
English,
different
you know,
teas.
British tea so famous.
Exactly. Then you have different Chinese teas and Japanese tea ceremonies and everything. There's different
Jasmine
kinds of
tea.
tea.
Nah, tea.
So you have got all of that. But then you go and drink coffee, it's coffee. It's just coffee. That's all it
Exactly.
is. It's the it's like
Pure
it's,
heaven.
That's the beauty of it.
exactly. It's
Pure
just like
bliss.
you don't have to pack it up in different packages. You don't have to like make it fucking fancy as shit. I can just like wake up, drink like
You don't
wake
have to
up
make
for
it
myself.
fancy to sell it. Coffee
Exactly.
के नाम पे कॉफी बिकता है.
Exactly. जबकि चाय बेचने के लिए
Yeah,
तुमको
I
उसको
feel
Makes tea fancy, bro.
so
Chai
why
के
do
नाम
you
पे चाय
think
बिकता है.
why do you think chai
Exactly,
tea
chai के नाम
exists?
पे चाय मिलता है.
Why do you think
I'll be
chai
back.
tea
Sorry guys,
exists?
I'll be back in a
Don't know how
minute.
to.
हाँ तू बोलती रहे.
Chai tea exists because they don't have proper knowledge about tea.
And so does like Chinese tea, and then there's like a 3,000 different types of tea that they're trying to
So
pack it
what's the
every day.
problem in
I
that?
mean, then
That's-
bro.
so-
Then there are tens of thousands, tens of types of coffees as well. What are you saying?
But then
Exactly.
So-
What is the point?
That's like vanilla add किया है उसमें
हाँ,
ice cream
also-
add
नहीं,
किया है,
नहीं. The
mocha
beans
है.
themselves are different species.
ah, but then
Yeah,
the
the
Not the
coffee,
method of preparation.
the USP of that
That's
coffee
the
is that it is coffee, right? जबकि चाय को you've divided into like 3,000 different things or
Okay.
different places of origin.
Coffee, even with the beans themselves and the preparations as well. You have espresso taste nothing like latte. Come on, same
Yeah.
thing, right?
Obviously. So, but then it. So okay, so you go into a shop and you say, "I want a coffee," and then they ask you, "Ki we have black and black and black and."
I'm back.
You
Sorry.
when you're trying to buy tea, I'll explain what's going on in a minute. When you go and try to
Yeah,
buy
sure.
tea, you'll be like, "Nee, I want jasmine tea or I want blah tea and or blah blah." That's the
No, but
difference
you
I'm talking
literally
about.
said.
How many times have you done that in your life?
Asks you.
Because I've never been to a tea store and been like, मेरे को ये चाहिए. चाय बोला तो चाय का ग्लास मिलता है मेरे
Chai,
को.
exactly. Just
अबे,
like you get
वैसे-
coffee. And you still have to specify your coffee and latte and cappuccino.
Exactly,
Or say
with
tea
or
and
without
milk.
milk or sweet or
Exactly.
that's better.
Chai
But
bola to
that-
chai
those are like-
biscuit.
That's
Bola to
according
ask you
to
several questions.
Convenience, shouldn't you be happy about it?
I didn't hear you, but okay, fine.
I said it was it's
क्या
a,
हो रहा है?
according to your convenience, you know, like it's your choice.
Exactly.
You can do whatever you want with your coffee. That's all I'm saying.
Exactly.
Anyway, I think this
Still tastes
coffee
like
discussion is
better.
Yeah,
Agree.
this went on
Yeah,
for too long.
reaching
This
its
went too
conclusion.
far. This went too far.
Yeah, good. Honestly.
Okay, who's the
Anyway.
next? Who's next?
I
Who's
think
next?
Oh shit, it's me.
Bhavya.
Oh, yeah, right? Nah,
Hey,
Bhavya.
nice.
Siddesh.
Dark chocolate is overrated.
What
This
about
dark chocolate is overrated. Dark
Aggressively
chocolate is
agree.
overrated.
Strongly disagree.
Go for. Hey, hold on.
Okay, who's agreeing with me?
Hey, hold on. I want to change my. Yeah.
Siddesh, what the fuck? How are you disagreeing with your own opinion? Siddesh, hold up,
I'm
agree. You
disagree. Sorry.
agree that coffee is dark chocolate is overrated. Yes.
Okay. Nah, I disagree.
अरे मैंने गलती से वो पकड़ा था. I didn't see.
अच्छा, okay,
Yeah.
चलो.
Then see,
Explain
no.
yourself.
I agree. It is.
Explain yourself, Siddesh.
Explain yourself.
It is.
Explain yourself.
The nation wants to
Okay.
know.
तो बचपन से मैं कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क खा रहा है. उसके बीच में मुझे किसी ने पहले बार डार्क चॉकलेट खिलाया, तो आई वाज लाइक ये क्या गंदा चीज है. इसमें क्या
I mean,
है?
they
कैसा
are
बोला था वो?
they
कैसा
are
बोला
laughing,
था
but that
क्या?
is
मेरा नाम मुकेश है टाइप्स था वो.
हाँ ना, मैं बचपन से बहुत काला था और मेरे साथ अत्याचार हो रहा
The
था.
मुकेश गुटका स्टोरी.
फिर मैंने ये खरीदा और अब मैं काला भी हूँ और चुतिया भी.
But that's honestly it रे. देख मेरा बर्थडे था, मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम मेरी बुआ फर्स्ट टाइम डार्क चॉकलेट लेके आई थी और मैंने वो टेस्ट किया और वो मेरा सबसे बुरा
No
बर्थडे.
offense to Siddesh की बुआ.
और anyway,
I mean, I see the reason I agree with dark chocolate being overrated is कि अपने आप पे ना डार्क चॉकलेट के नाम पे कसरत चिपकाते
मैं एक बोलूं
ना बोल बोल.
डार्क चॉकलेट ओवररेटेड क्यों है पता है? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग को सच में ऑनेस्टली अंदर से मन से ये पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत लोग बोल रहे पसंद है करके हर कोई बोल रहा है पसंद है. इसके लिए overrated.
देखो नहीं है
That's
पसंद,
your
को
story,
नहीं है
bro,
पसंद.
not ours.
because if you
That's
like
your
dark
story.
chocolate, you're like refined, you peasants, you still
Ah.
eat milk chocolate and sweet chocolate, you peasants. It's like that.
Who is going by this
Sour.
monetary
Dark chocolate is so
bias
refined.
for dark
guys,
chocolate?
I'm very sorry.
कुछ
but
भी
when
हाँ
Saurabh
वही
was
ना
delivering that
refined.
speech- I'm very sorry, but when Saurabh was delivering that speech, I just read it in like Captain Raymond Holt's voice for some reason. I can't see it.
Your voice is very low.
Yeah,
या
थोड़ा बहुत लो है.
अभी ठीक है?
Yeah,
हाँ.
better.
Cool.
Yeah, so I was just backing to this point. Now my point is what I said earlier कि what the fuck did I say earlier? Yeah, India में dark chocolate के नाम पे कचरा चिपका दे. They're very legit. Few
Yeah,
places
this is
very
true,
legit
this is
dark chocolate. So
I can agree to that.
most of the people that think they like dark chocolate aren't even having proper dark chocolate. And again, the bitter thing is there. I mean, it's just what the fuck is happening here? What the fuck is happening? What are you eating? What is bitter chocolate? Again, a dessert in my mind or a sweet dish in my mind should be sweet. A sweet dish shouldn't be fucking bitter.
Chocolate is not
right
a
bro,
sweet
totally
dish.
agree, strongly
Chocolate is
agree.
chocolate.
No. And also,
नहीं ना, लेकिन मैं जो चॉकलेट मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है बचपन से, दैट इज स्वीट.
Exactly.
So-
So that
मेरे
is
लिए
that is the
disaster था.
nostalgia factor.
There is no rule, but ki chocolate is supposed to be sweet, you know.
Exactly.
That is correct.
but
अच्छा, can I
also-
explain कि मैं disagree क्यों करता हूँ?
एक मिनट,
Yeah.
सब लोग जो
Yeah.
agree करते हैं वो लोग का हो गया क्या?
He's very excited. उसको
हाँ, agree वाला हो गया क्या?
Agree वाले सबका हो गया
Yeah.
क्या?
Sure.
हाँ.
Okay, cool.
अच्छा, okay, तो
तुम लोग बोलो फिर हम बोलेंगे.
अबे तेरा बोल के हो गया पहले.
Anyway, so हाँ,
Debate
so
नहीं है.
firstly, just like Nidhi has a
Guys, I'll be back in a
thing
minute.
for sweet dishes, I have a thing for bitter things. That's why I love coffee and dark chocolate. That is one thing. And sweet chocolate का ना वो मतलब उसका एक बहुत ही अजीब artificial सा sweetness रहता है. And in my opinion मुझे
chocolates
थोड़ा
have you
irritate
been
करता है.
तू गलत क्वालिटी का चॉकलेट खा रहा है बंदे.
खत्म करने
मैं
दो,
वही
खत्म
खाता
करने
जो
दो.
तेरे को पसंद है.
एक मिनट, उसको खत्म
Which I
करने दो.
hate. हाँ तो anyway, like I don't have like a huge ass explanation कि यही कि chocolate and bitter ये दोनों मेरे को पसंद है. So combined bitter chocolate bliss.
Okay. Nidhi, you wanna
मेरा
go?
तीसरा खुल गया. Fuck. Anyway.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I just like big dark chocolate because I get cravings for it and it satisfies my cravings, and I don't have like a logical reason to support. I just prefer it.
Fair enough.
अच्छा से.
I
I mean, I
it's-
don't think it is overrated. That is what I'm trying to say.
Fair
हाँ
enough.
ये मेरा ऐड करना रहेगा. It's not overrated.
अबे you, that's the statement. It's implied. My man. Anyway, so I'll go now. So yeah, I don't think dark chocolate is overrated because while I agree that a small percentage of people don't really understand what haven't really had what dark chocolate is, but then dude, Jabi, like the actual dark chocolate is amazing. You're not supposed to have dark chocolate in like a bar full of dark chocolate in one sitting.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Then you'll obviously puke because it is that bitter. But then in small quantities, it's actually really nice. You know, it's like
And
it
you can
tastes
add with like your ice cream and all that sound.
exactly.
That tastes really nice.
It's sort of, and only even if you only have like a small piece of dark chocolate, it actually, I mean, at least for me, it like cleanses my palate a little bit. It's nice.
Ah.
And secondly,
Yeah.
it's super healthy too. Like apparently it like lowers blood pressure and I don't know what else, but it's super healthy. It's nice.
But I agree with Saurabh on this point कि like many people dark chocolate के नाम पे कचरा बेचते हैं, so
That is true.
Yeah.
ये
वही तो बोल
बहुत
रहे हैं.
बहुत बेकार स्कैम है ये, and that really needs to stop because उसके ऐसा dark chocolate का नाम खराब हो रहा है. We can
People
change.
don't know any better, so they just
So
जो मिल
somehow,
रहा हो खाओ.
हाँ.
somehow this
Go on,
opinion
go on,
ends
go on.
with us all agreeing कि dark chocolate के नाम पे धोखा बंद होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Yes,
हाँ,
definitely.
ये सामान्य
But-
आदमी के ऊपर
Tangent, a little bit of like gyan dena. So chocolate was discovered in the America, right? The New World,
Okay.
Southern America. South America. So tabhi there was this king. This guy used to have there's this drink called chocolato, which is the predecessor to like modern chocolate. It was basically just ground cocoa beans with some milk, and this guy used to have 40 cups of that a day. 40 fucking cups of that a day.
40 cups?
Imagine the diarrhea on this guy.
I don't want to though. I mean,
Yeah.
this reminds me like I'm
It's
going slow.
weird.
I'm going very much off topic because it's my turn to speak anyway.
Oh wow.
This reminds me like this chocolate king guy reminds me of the founder of Vaseline because this guy apparently used to believe in his product so much that he used to eat a spoonful every day. He would eat
What?
fucking petroleum jelly. I don't know. It's fucking weird. He believed that it will keep him, I don't know, safe from all health hazards.
Moisturized from inside.
She
I don't know.
oh fuck.
Anyway, so now going on to my statement.
Yeah.
My statement would be that almost each and every product that is available in strawberry flavor is just bad, just plain and simple bad. Siddharth has no opinion. Disagree. Okay. There's 2 disagree, 1 somewhat agree, and 3 agrees because it's my statement. I obviously agree to it. So again, because it's my turn to speak, I'll go first.
Take note, Siddesh. You agree with your own opinion.
Anyway, so
लिख लो यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए.
So I
Wow.
agree to this. Rather, I have this statement because, first of all, personal trauma. Because like bachpan mein, I used to have this. I used to get sick a lot, and we had this like really. It was a strawberry flavored cough syrup, and it was bad. Like it was so bad. I used to go in front of the sink and then have it because I knew I'd puke it out. It was that bad, and I had it for like the entirety of my childhood. So now I can't have anything else that is strawberry flavored. And secondly, like honestly, there are very few ice creams that, or rather, very few ice cream brands who've actually like gotten that flavor right. You know, otherwise it just tastes like sweets and chemicals. Like that's all it is. It's just preservatives,
Yes.
sweeteners,
Exactly.
and then chemicals. It's weird.
Yeah.
Nobody can get it right.
Strawberry ice cream does not taste like strawberry at all.
I agree
Like,
with this.
Exactly.
It's a different taste,
Or
but
anything.
I like it.
Not strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some taste, not strawberry.
Yeah, why are they
Yeah.
selling it in the name of strawberry? God.
Strawberry. Exactly. That's right.
It's like the
It's not
brand-
even red.
Can I change my opinion?
Of course you can. You
No.
learn something new, you can change your opinion. That's what growth is.
Normalize that. Changing
Yeah.
opinions based on facts.
Exactly. So and
Siddesh
so-
agrees with it now.
So I was
Yeah.
somewhat
I
agree.
agree.
So I'll explain why somewhat agree. Okay, because while I agree that I don't think all strawberry products taste like shit. I think most of them do, because I really think that strawberry milkshake tastes amazing.
Yeah.
It
Me
has
too.
a really rich taste to it.
I love it.
The milkshakes and smoothies, especially the ones from Burger King, they're amazing. That's what I think.
McDonald's as well.
So I mean,
They
again,
may or may not taste like strawberry, but whatever they taste amazing.
exactly. So I mean, again, going back to the same point, ki, they don't really taste like strawberries, and there are very few brands that have actually got them tasting
Incorporated.
nice. You know, just tasting nice. That's also like sort of a thing now, because
Yeah.
the closest I've had something from a random brand that was tasting like a strawberry was one of those ice cream floats, and
Oh.
it was as close to a
Ice cream
strawberry
what?
float thingy,
Ice cream
like
floats.
Ice cream
strawberry
floats. Okay,
milkshake
okay,
with
okay.
strawberry
Okay,
ice cream on top.
Yeah.
एंड लाइक मतलब वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि जिसने भी वो बनाया ना उसने स्ट्रॉबेरी के फ्लेवर का गेस किया है, ऐसा मतलब इतना दूर स्ट्रॉबेरी पकड़ा, उसका स्मेल किया, उसके साथ किया, एंड देन इज लाइक नहीं, दैट इज व्हाट दिस टेस्ट्स लाइक, एंड देन जस्ट मेड इट, दैट्स व्हाट इट टेस्टेड लाइक, इट वाज जस्ट हॉरिबल. So yeah,
So who agreed?
So
Who disagreed?
everyone
No, no.
agrees the
Everybody
agrees. I
strawberry
disagree.
flavored things don't taste like strawberry, right?
अच्छा, okay, he disagrees.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. I agree to what Nidhi said. Ki
Yeah.
they don't taste like actual strawberry, but
They taste nice.
whatever, just like Saurabh said, whatever they taste, it's amazing. And I also like strawberry ice cream. I mean, I don't know why people don't like, but yeah, I do. And smoothies and milkshake. Strawberry milkshake is pure love. And yeah, that's it.
That's surprisingly passionate about.
I mean, can we just agree on strawberry looks so amazing when it tastes nothing up to that level?
True.
Can
Yeah.
we all agree?
Yeah.
on that?
Yeah.
Such
Yeah.
a beautiful
Yeah.
It
food,
looks
but
like a
tastes,
10, but it tastes
but
like,
it tastes like a 4.
It's the catfish. It's the catfish of the fruit world.
Good world, yeah.
Bravo,
And the
bravo.
way they show it in ads, you know, like they are like spilling everywhere, and like when they cut it,
Yeah.
I mean,
awesome.
they
Like,
are borderline sexualizing strawberry in those ads.
Exactly.
true.
This was saying something earlier when I was speaking. I think.
बोलना सिद्धेश.
Dish?
Siddesh.
Oh yeah.
वो बचपन की खट्टी यादों में चला गया वो कफ सिरप के.
इसको ट्रॉमा याद आ गया.
हाँ, क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
सिर्फ तो
I
मुझे याद
can't hear you,
आया
can't
कि
hear you. हाँ, okay.
We can hear you.
हाँ,
अरे,
कर सकते.
हाँ, my bad.
उसने बोला कि कफ सिरप के बाद में तो मुझे याद आया कि कितना गंदा टेस्ट करता है.
इसको PTSD हो गया.
उसके बाद में मुझे याद
Nidhi is taking notes.
आइसक्रीम.
No, I'm not.
अच्छा, let Siddesh speak, guys. Let Siddesh speak. चल रहे, शुरुआत करते हैं.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद में स्ट्रॉबेरी का आइसक्रीम लाइक कैसे पसंद आता है यार स्ट्रॉबेरी का आइसक्रीम. पहली बात तो उसके अंदर जो कलर्स एंड ऑल डलते हैं 2000 कभी प्रोसेस देख लिया
Added.
बहुत गंदा process मैंने देखा है. तो ये सब मुझे याद आया और बस इतना ही है, मतलब ज्यादा पता भी नहीं है.
So moving on, I'll go with the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think unsalted cashews taste much better than salted cashews.
I need time to think about this.
She's remembering the taste.
Okay, I'll repeat my question. Unsalted cashews taste better than salted cashews. Okay, agree, gang. I'll go first. I just think that salted cashews just taste like salt and mush in your mouth.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
Normal.
I think unsalted cashews are much more versatile.
Exactly. किसी में भी डाल
And it
सकते
tastes better as well because it has that. It doesn't have a very prominent taste. It has that subtle taste, which is like really amazing.
Right.
Hey, I actually
Agree, gang.
agree. I like मैं confused हो गया. I actually agree that unsalted ones are better.
उसका ट्यूबलाइट जल गया फाइनली.
Sorry.
अकेले
I was like, तुम लोग गलत बोल रहे हो. This is not my opinion. Then I realized I was wrong. So yeah, I agree with yours.
Yeah, so what
Well,
I
I'm
was going to say.
disagreeing.
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा था कि
Okay.
मतलब salted cashews don't taste like cashews.
What?
वो cashew का जो original taste है वो खो जाता है like between the salt thingy. And just like Saurabh said, it's way too salty sometimes. And again, it's versatile. Unsalted are versatile. हलवा लो, normal लो, शीरा लो, जो जिसमें लेना उसमें डालो, खा सकते हो. That's amazing. And yeah, that's it. I love unsalted cashews. Please.
Hashtag unsalted cashews for life.
Well, someone must have disagreed at least one.
I somewhat agree to this.
Hey,
Okay, why someone?
Siddesh disagreed, right?
Yeah. So I'll
Yeah,
go
but some-
because
Siddesh disagrees.
I'll go first because I am like on the
Agreeing,
Middle
leaning
ground.
towards the
You can
agree
start, you
side.
can start, you can start.
middle ground. Cashews are very much neutral tasting. I'm trying to put it
Yes.
as nicely as I can. It's just
it is true.
yeah, it is very
What did I miss?
like cashews in general are a very like a neutral tasting thing. It's a very
Yeah.
blah taste. It's a-
Bland.
yeah, it's very bland. So like salt just adds to the taste.
Yeah.
Siddesh ने
No,
कहीं और
but cashew has its like own distinct
Very
super.
subtle.
It's not like super in your face of strong taste, but it is very subtle and
And
Sort of
yeah,
taste.
and those cashews which are in the nut itself, the soft one, they taste amazing. They are the
Alright.
best
Oh.
things that you can have.
like कौन सा बोल रहा है? I didn't get you.
From the fruit,
अरे,
क्या?
yeah,
From the fruit itself, yeah, but it's soft and malleable.
fresh,
Then fresh.
Very very fresh.
Taste.
fresh as
Fresh
fuck.
fresh एकदम fresh छे.
It's not that I hate salted cashews, but like unsalted cashews को
Right.
उतना credit नहीं मिलता है in my opinion.
Okay.
Everyone is
देखो,
like salted cashews.
Salted cashews like taste good.
Yeah, but unsalted
right.
also.
Yeah, salted are better.
Okay. Siddesh, you have
तो
to
काजू
say over
पसंद
there.
है काजू.
तो सिद्धेश वाला disagree वाला.
हाँ,
Let him go.
सिद्धेश.
Yeah.
देखो मुझे हर टाइप का कैशू पसंद है. कौन सा भी काजू दो. रोस्टेड
Relax, मैं भेदभाव नहीं कर रहा.
ये तुम क्या डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर दे रहा है? क्या है?
Unbiased, हाँ, very unbiased. We are literally playing opinion का game.
हाँ ना, क्या गवर्नमेंट है क्या? तू इतना डिप्लोमेटिक क्यों आंसर दे रहा है?
भाई काजू आवडतो भाई कसाही काजू दे.
अरे
त्यात काय
अरे but let's talk
Sorry,
like
sorry. Go on, go on.
ना.
पुढे बघ, पुढे
काजू
बघ.
is काजू is amazing.
अच्छा ठीक है. So I feel like this has been the most like agreed upon statement that we've had so far.
Yeah, right.
So guys, everybody watching, comment
I see this
Kaju
is saying
OP in the comment Kaju OP.
Yes, काजू OP.
अपना opinion
And
दे
coffee
दो
is amazing
about
as well.
these things. I mean, you can comment कि सौरभ का क्या चुतिया
Yeah.
opinion है, रोहन का क्या चुतिया opinion है. Go for it.
Yeah, bindas.
But Kaju OP.
Okay.
Next statement is what? What is it?
Yeah. So this
Okay,
is
so
good.
my statement is कि
निधि को शक्ल नहीं दिख रहा.
like सांबार and chutney are like separate जब देते हैं ना वड़ा
हाँ.
पे, so that's better
मेदू वड़ा.
than them just pouring it all on the vada. Yes,
Okay.
सांबार चटनी वड़ा में first.
अलग अलग is better than ऐसा एक के ऊपर एक ऐसा बोल रहा
साथ
हूँ.
के
Yes.
ऊपर देख.
Hitesh,
Siddesh has absolutely no opinions in life. Like जब पूछेगा तब मैं कुछ तो बोलेगा. वरना fuck off.
okay, can I
Yeah,
give
disagree,
my
disagree.
Yeah. Nidhi, explain.
Yes. So what I was
Yeah.
going to say
So you
is,
go. Why
when
agree?
they give different, no, when they give it in different containers, you yourself have the choice कि तुमको कितना डालना है. या तुमको कैसे डालना है, अलग अलग पसंद है, और do you want to like cut your vada and dip it in, because I like to do it that way. When they do it, it's so messy, it gets all over the place, तुम्हारे हाथ पे लग जाता है when you don't even want it. So yeah, it's very messy in my opinion.
So I'll go. Since I'm agree, I'll like add to it. So I think कि जब अलग अलग देते हैं ना, तभी I have the option और the choice कि मुझे कितना चटनी लेना है एक पीस के साथ. I don't want the सामने वाला person to decide for me कि तू इतना ही खाने का एक पीस के साथ.
Exactly.
And I can moderate the taste the way I want, you know. And if I want
He
to, I
gave
can
a whole
have the
different
vada.
perspective to this opinion.
And if I want, I can have the vada by itself. I don't want the chutney. I don't want the sambar.
Yeah.
I'll just have the vada, or I'll just have the sambar because it tastes nice.
Yeah, exactly.
So I just think I would like
And
to have the
I-
option. Yeah, go on, Bhavesh.
Fair. And the vada becomes soggy.
Yes.
You put it on the
Yes,
vada,
it's like you
then
when you
whatever
drown
you
it in
want to
sambar,
eat
vada
soggy
का
meat.
taste ही नहीं आता.
Nidhi, let
That was so South
Bhavya.
Indian, like
Let
sambar.
Bhavya finish because I couldn't hear what Bhavya was.
Yeah, let Bhavya
saying.
finish.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, so I was saying that if the vada becomes soggy, if you put it on the vada, like sambar on the vada, why would you want to eat a soggy vada? Like that's not. No, please don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't make your vada soggy. It's supposed to be crispy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they literally drown it in sambar, so feel like vada का taste.
Exactly.
And-
they literally
and-
drown it in sambar.
Yeah, and by the time you have finished having it, you know, half of the vada is like covered in this thick mess that dried out
Soggy.
sambar. It's like,
Yeah, it becomes like a paste.
yeah, it's not
After
even
sambar.
appetizing at that point.
Yeah.
At least visually.
Okay.
At least visually.
Not even appetizing.
I want to speak now.
Yeah.
So, firstly, I like it when they're together
Demand kiya.
because A, I'm lazy. It's easier to eat when like sambar is on the vada. B,
Oh my god.
I love sambar because मतलब उसका जब टेस्ट ऐसा पूरा वड़ा में घुस जाता है ना तो it's divine. And there was one more point मैं भूल गया कुछ बोलने वाला था मैं.
I'm
It
craving
is
Medu
so
vada
great.
sambar.
It is so great that it makes Ritwik forget things. That's his third.
That was the third point. Yes. Also, I really like the way Nidhi said like sambar. That was so South Indian.
And by the I was going to say that I am
Sorry.
so glad that everyone is using sambar and not sambar because it is a sambar.
वो मेरे को
सांबार.
MDH वाले बुड्ढे अंकल का याद आ गया. सांबर मसाला.
It's MDH. That was
Is that
very.
Shout
Shout out to
alive?
MDH uncle. I don't know. I think he passed away recently.
I also think
No,
so.
I don't. He is perpetually old and perpetually alive. God bless the MDH guy. Moving on.
Yeah.
Nah,
So, okay,
if he's alive,
My turn.
yeah.
I
Okay.
also disagree. I actually think that the curry and the medu vada should be together because I
Curry?
mean
Curry?
sambar.
Sambar,
Curry?
bro.
Better.
Sambar डालना.
तो और क्या बोलेगा उसको? What do you want to call it? Milkshake?
Sambar.
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 Sambar. Okay, sambar.
Okay,
Sorry,
anyway,
my bad.
sambar.
So sambar
We
and
are focusing too much on pronunciation.
yeah, sambar and
Yeah, because
medu-
sambar नहीं है वो sambar है.
नहीं बोलने का मेरे को नहीं करने का मैं जा रहा हूँ.
मैं घर में-
Gravy. Let's go with gravy. Yeah.
No.
Okay, so sambar and medu vada or idli should be together because at that point, like it's the 3 a.m. comfort food. Okay, you go out, you buy a
Right.
plate for like $30 and with like five small medu vadas with everything on them, and you just eat them there and then with your friends, chilling out, you know, with a cup of tea. or
Exactly.
something. It's
That's
that.
a different experience.
तुमने याद दिला दिया. तुमने याद दिला दिया.
I know exactly. See, and also I mean, like that way I can just. It's easier. It's convenient. If I'm hungry, like, and if I'm working or if I'm in college, I can just go out, grab a plate, finish it, and then go back in. You know.
Exactly.
Otherwise, if it's all different and it's like 3 bowls and 2 plates, that's not the case. I'm exaggerating.
You don't need
Please don't-
bowls.
One
जैसे
plate
थोड़ा
also.
separate में वो लोग pour करके दे सकते हैं.
I
तो
literally said I'm exaggerating. Don't try to correct me on that.
वो पहले ही saved his ass. He's like इस पे भाई बोलने का. इस पे बोलने
पहले
का.
सफाई दे दिया.
हाँ ना.
गंदा करने के पहले सफाई दे दिया वो.
Exactly. But फिर भी कूदने आ गए कीचड़ में. Anyways. Anyway, so I mean, when you have a apparatus for it, like you have to sit down and then you have to eat, and then like so that because the apparatus is so sophisticated, you have to eat it in such a sophisticated manner. While if it's all all in one plate, it's a like a one pot meal. It's a one plate meal. You can just finish it and fuck off, and
Exactly.
it tastes great. Also, all the
And
best
just like
idlis-
Ron,
all the best idlis in town are never found in a restaurant. They're found in a cycle wala bhaiya जो एक ही
साइकिल
plate
पे
पे
डब्बे
देता है.
लेके आते हैं
ठीक है.
रात को 2 बजे.
ठीक है, so that's
Yeah,
a
but-
testament to the taste कि मतलब अगर
Yeah,
वो
but-
एक प्लेट में सब कुछ दे रहा है तो वो अच्छा
Yes.
रहे.
I'm not
Yes, but
into the
but we
fact
don't.
कि वो
Madcast
अच्छा
doesn't
नहीं है.
doesn't endorse having bahar ka food during a pandemic.
Yeah, we don't. Please,
Obviously.
please, I don't want to be responsible for anybody's death.
Wow.
Yeah, do not.
Anna.
I am 22. That's too much of a stress.
सांबार और चटनी को एक साथ मिलाने के बाद जो बनता है माँ कसम जो लगता है ना वो
No, तू अपने साइड पे हाँ चलेगा बराबर तू बोल रहा है तू बराबर बोल रहा है तू बराबर
जो
बोल रहा
लगता
है.
है खतरनाक.
क्या हो गया? It's like you can't even express it कि अरे क्या लगता है.
अरे इट इज लाईक अरे आपल्यामध्ये बघ ना खोबऱ्याची आमटी बनवतो ना इट लिटरली टर्न्स इनटू दॅट आणि मला आवडते खोबऱ्याची आमटी सो
I
इट
mean,
टर्न्स
I mean, it reminded me of that Akshay Kumar ka meme.
What?
क्या
Which
माल
meme?
है यार.
Ah,
hello.
Yeah, I can hear.
talking like a mafia, dude.
रे मतलब और
Yeah.
जो बोला
So-
सॉगी बन जाता है तो सॉगी अच्छा लगता है खाने को मुझे तो वो जो बनता है ना उसका वड़ा का और मुझे
I prefer
जैसे
it
कि
separately because I can moderate कितना मेरे को क्या खाना है.
Ah,
Oh,
Varito, don't you like having choice?
Nidhi,
Huh?
Nidhi, do you realize that you are the only one not wearing earphones?
Everyone is stuck.
Nidhi, do you
नहीं,
realize?
and you took this thing to a whole different
Am
level.
I still stuck?
Yeah, no,
we
you're
can
moving.
see you, and we can hear you,
या
and we can see you
I mean,
doing crazy
Yeah,
shit.
so yeah, by the way, guys, I think Bhavya has to leave in like 15 minutes. Bhavya?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we have time for one more, and I think let Bhavya go for this one. The last
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Why are you gonna put me on the
Yeah.
spot like that? It's a
Well,
Well, we
Bhavya,
want controversy
Because
for it.
mangoes are overrated.
what is? I didn't hear you.
Hi.
mangoes
What?
are
We
overrated.
want controversy. Go
Mangoes
for
are
it.
overrated.
Oof.
तेरे इतना अजीब opinions क्यों है? Coffee
Can
is
I-
overrated, mango is
They
overrated.
go.
What are you doing in your life?
स्ट्रांगली डिसएग्री
Guys,
बाय हार्ट
I can't. I need like a super hyper thing over here. Like, it's so true.
Well, let's see why she thinks that. Okay.
they taste horrible for the way they look. Okay, they taste. It's so slimy. First of all, anything slimy is not good. Doesn't look good. Doesn't taste good.
Bhavya, I'm
Yeah.
on your team, but I don't
Agreed.
know what.
Bhavya,
I agree.
you
Like,
you're
not one of the
Bhavya, you're
best
talking
taste.
about a very particular variety
No,
of
no,
mango,
Yeah,
which
but
is slimy.
they love
Ah.
not the green ones.
You're
but
talking about fiery.
यार
But what?
अच्छा मस्त रत्नागिरी का
Right.
piece खाके देख. I
अच्छा
had.
ठीक है, let her complete. Let her complete.
Yeah. Okay. But they don't taste good. They should taste so much better for what they look, and they're so, first of all, expensive. I get that they're for 3 months. They're only for 3 months. I just don't like the taste. In general, don't have a logical explanation for that. Like they eat so much mango that I got tired of it. Like mango, the only fruit in the house is mango. Like can you not like every day कौन breakfast के लिए mango खाता है?
It is overhyped, but like it is also because of the reason that it's only available for this
3
limited
months.
period of time.
3
So
months,
like
it's a
सब
short
लोग just say
window.
oh mango ऐसा.
Exclusivity है bro.
हाँ बराबर
कि साल में सिर्फ
So,
2-3 महीना खाने को मिलता है.
Yeah.
और वो 3 महीने में से भी
हाँ।
हार्डली 1 से 1.5 महीना जेन्युइन मस्त आम खाने को
That
मिलता है.
is what
स्टार्टिंग आपको
motivates you to
बेकार होता है.
overhype mangoes. कि you are like और ये सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए मिलता है, तो it's like psychological that way कि like
So-
you are made to think.
No, it tastes
better.
amazing.
सकता है.
It does. I'm not saying it doesn't, but like
I-
it's overrated because of it's only available for this small
Yeah.
amount
Okay.
of time.
Okay, so I agree to
I
Bhavya,
mean,
and that is.
okay. Go on,
I'm
go on.
sorry. Okay, I agree to Bhavya that they are super overrated, and I mean, first things first. Yes, that's a fact. They are overrated, regardless of what they taste like, how amazing they are.
Yeah.
If they fall from
Yeah.
the heavens, I don't give a shit. No amount, like no food deserves to be that people going that crazy. You know.
Exactly, I agree.
It's a fucking circus. Like everywhere you go, they are like they at some point I saw mangoes selling for like
Siddesh.
$4,000 for a dozen.
Crate.
Exactly.
80,
Does
80,
it?
For a
three
crate,
dozen.
for a crate,
Yeah,
for a
four-
crate, for a crate, for a
three
crate.
dozen, I
Yeah.
think, 4
हाँ मैं कहा
dozen,
तू
whatever.
क्या खा रहा था?
For a crate, I'm sorry. अरे कर क्या किया ना रेक्टिफाई रुलाएगा क्या अभी anyway but then dude like
Yeah.
$4,000 a crate and still and the guy went out of stock. People are it's a
Oh, yeah.
fucking shit
That's how
show.
amazing they are.
No there no food
No.
nothing
No,
like
they're not that amazing.
Yes,
Exactly,
they are
To be
nothing
amazing.
in-
honest.
Bro,
No
The
food
mangoes
like
are
this.
overpriced. Mangoes are definitely overpriced, but mangoes are super amazing.
No there is
अरे
no
कभी
food
limited है
अरे
भाई.
because they make you think that way. They are like इतने time में मिले. Better go all
But
out.
would
But
That's
those
You
are
are
facts
creating
that-
like a controversy against mango and mango sellers. It's
हाँ,
not like that.
like-
no, but here's
Yeah.
the thing.
I'm ready for
Would
the
you eat
backlash.
mango if it was
I
like,
didn't hear you.
throughout
They're
the
definitely
year?
better
Would
than
you eat
papaya.
that fruit?
Wait. Too many of us speaking at once. Bhavya,
yeah
you
okay
Yeah.
Yeah, would you eat mango if it was there throughout the year? Like if it, like you eating it
Yeah.
because it's there for limited time.
Exactly.
No,
Like,
not at all.
because it's-
you would
No,
eat
I think
Because we have not had
I
mangoes
agree.
for longer than 3 months. You wouldn't
Yeah,
know
exactly.
that.
I
Maybe
agree
you
that
wouldn't
if
eat
it were available like year round, I would definitely not feel this strongly about them because
Yeah.
you can go and get it. And the other
अरे हाँ
thing is,
वो तो ऑब्वियसली किसी के भी साथ होगा ना
हाँ।
कि लाइक अगर
तो
साल
वही
भर
तो
अवेलेबल
पूछा।
है तो मतलब उसका
अरे तो
औकात
वही
थोड़ा
तो
कम हो
question
जाता है
था,
बट
अभी ये वाला
उसका-
main question
It is overrated because limited time, na?
Yeah.
No,
So
I don't think
everybody-
it's overrated because so
Overrated.
that is a fact. Okay, कि it is hype or like overhyped rather because of this one thing. But I don't think it is overhyped because the fruit itself is very versatile. Okay, you can make so many things out of the mango. Not just having the mango itself. You can make the mango crush. You can have mango
Right.
milkshake. You can have mango ice cream. You can have so many panna. There's a
Coconut
panna.
also could be like
Amrus,
that. Then
you
coconut
can
is more
just like
versatile
add
than
cut
mango,
pieces
let
of
me
mangoes
tell
on
you.
vanilla ice cream and it's amazing.
Yeah, exactly. So I think the fruit itself is amazing, and me being from an area where mangoes are my area's thing. So that by default it makes me a mango enthusiast or whatever. दूसरा point
yes.
है हमने टच किया कि well yeah, of course. दूसरा point है तो यहाँ पे टच किया कि 4,000 रुपए का क्रेट बेच रहा था. Okay, so that is I think is a very artificially created demand because 90 or like 90 not I'm not putting a number on it, but most of the best quality fruits are exported and हमारे लिए जो बचता है that is like very subpar. So the only people who get to have the real quality mangoes are the people that grow, जो अपने लिए फैमिली के लिए अलग से निकाल के रखते हैं ना,
Right.
only those people. जो हम लोग के यहाँ पे पहुंचता है, that is not even like a very small percentage of the actual quality fruit. हम लोग को ऐसा
Right.
10 on 10 का भी मिलता है, अपन को 7,
Selling
6,
directly
7, 10 ऐसा मिलता है.
the best quality.
सिद्धेश बिल्कुल सुनाने के लिए क्या बोला
हाँ ना सिद्धेश. Also guys please stay, like wait until one person is done speaking and then continue. Like don't speak over other people. Anyway Siddesh continue.
अरे नहीं, just I was saying जैसे सौरभ बोला कि अपने को यहाँ पे जो क्वालिटी मिलता है और जो फार्म का क्वालिटी है वो बहुत अलग होता है, और अपने को अगर चाहिए अच्छा क्वालिटी तो डायरेक्टली फार्म से जो मंगाया हुआ हापूस रहता है या फिर मैंगो रहता है, दैट इज डैम गुड.
Okay.
अरे सो लाइक घर पे भी गांव में भी जाते हैं ना, तो गांव में भी लाइक जो घर के जो होते हैं एक्चुअली पेड़ से निकाले हुए, दैट आम इज टोटली डिफरेंट देन जो अपन इधर लाइक डजन के भाव से लेते हैं. बहुत
राइट.
लाइक टेस्ट में बहुत फर्क रहता है, एंड दैट
True.
थिंग हैज अ वेरी रिच एंड अमेजिंग एंड डिवाइन टेस्ट.
एट द
So-
सेम टाइम मैंगो का कैसा है कि अभी आता आमच्या स्वतःचे आंबे आहेत सो गावी बाग आहे, जसं सौरभ पण बोलला की स्वतःच्या बागा आहेत, त्याच्यामुळे मला तरी सवय झाली आहे की दॅट प्युअर झाडावरती पिकलेला हापूस खाण्याची. सो दॅट टोटली टेस्ट डिफरेंट दॅन जो मुंबई में मिलता है.
just a second before what Siddharth said was कि उसके गांव में जो उसके खुद के जो फार्म है या whatever orchards है मैंगो के, उधर का जो टेस्ट है पेड़ का और लाइक पेड़ से निकाला मैंगो का, that is 100 times or like so much richer than what we get to have here
Eat here.
in the city.
Yeah. And one more thing कि अपन जो इधर आम खाते हैं ना, the thing is you need to know when to like take the mango down from a tree. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत जल्दी मैंगोज निकालते हैं एंड फिर वो फुल्ली राइप नहीं होते एंड वो दिखने में दिखता है कि ये पूरा पका हुआ है, बट देन वो पूरा उसका टेस्ट आता नहीं है उसमें. It's really important like to know when to take off like mangoes off the tree.
So basically you are proving So basically you're proving our point. Mangoes are overrated.
Like regardless of how it tastes, you'll still buy
Yeah.
it.
Exactly.
ये कैसा रिश्ता जोड़ लिया
I
तुम?
don't think it's overrated.
Also, I mean, I
Overpriced,
think
definitely.
one more reason I think they're overrated is because, okay, chal, I don't think so, but because like that's the majority population opinion. Sorry, majority population ka opinion is that mangoes are amazing, right? Mangoes taste like the best thing in the world. Fine, but if like people will eat like 3,000 mangoes in 3 months, and then like you have pimples going on, you have heat allergies, you have a shit ton, like it's just troublesome. I feel like it's not
इतना थोड़ी खानी.
That's not related
There is a
because
very,
there's some
there is
people
a
are
very
okay.
extreme, there is a
point
very
का कुछ
extreme
meaning
like
नहीं है.
mango eaters experience, which is like
dude, they are, see,
population.
I can bet each and every one of you and each and everyone watching this video that come next summer, if we get mangoes due to something going on outside,
And
if
we
we
have
do,
a summer next year, if we have a next year,
yeah, if you have a next year and if you have mangoes in the said year, I will bet you will find at least 2 people that you know who will be like, "Arey yaar, nahi mera skin kharab ho gaya because I'm eating too much mangoes." I will bet that.
of course, but like that's 2 people out of the hundreds that we know, right? And it's like it's a very small percentage to have a
मतलब ये ओपिनियन की वजह से मैंगो हेट करना ये बहुत कम.
what I feel.
So I don't hate mangoes, but I definitely feel that they don't deserve the hype that they have. It's a fruit.
Yeah.
It's a fruit, okay?
The one
Because
thing
of,
that I agree on is with that it is like overpriced. Sorry, Rohan, go on.
nah, I mean, so all I was saying is it is a fruit after everything is said and done. Okay, even if it is there for 3 months, it doesn't deserve, like, I mean, people go crazy over it. Like, they are having mangoes every day, like like each and every day there's something made out of mango or a
Twice
direct
a day,
mango.
that too.
Twice a day, twice a
Reva.
day.
Twice a day.
I'm sorry, my niece just is
Ah.
still there. I don't know. Hi. I'm sorry.
Say hi from us.
Yeah,
I mean,
she's
I think we can all agree on the fact that it is overpriced,
Definitely.
regardless of how one would try to
Yeah.
justify. है ना कितनी महीने आता है बहुत वो ग्रो करने में सालों जाता है एक फर्स्ट फ्रूट आने में and all that. Fine, but nothing is going to justify spending $1,000 on a dozen. So
This is true. Mangoes are fucking overpriced, but
right, definitely.
But even then,
still
people
love
will
them.
buy
They are
them because they're mangoes.
yeah. And I'll buy them and I'll love them forever.
Yes,
That's
true.
mangoes for life.
That is my
Mango.
point.
Anyway, I
Go
think
mango.
this is a good natural conclusion, rather, I would say.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
we all agree on
Yeah.
something that mangoes are overpriced.
Yes.
Another thing that we all agree on is Madcast is awesome.
Oh, fucking awesome.
I don't know where my books are.
What?
Madcast is fucking amazing.
तो कोई screenshot लो ना.
Yeah. So I think that was a very nice natural conclusion to this debate that mangoes are indeed overpriced.
Yeah.
All of us agree
Yes,
on
yes.
that. And
Yep.
Madcast is awesome. We agree on that as well. And I think with that, I hope, first of all, like I hope people like this new segment of ours,
Yes. And comment down below if you like
Okay.
it.
yes, and
Topics
comment on our
next.
opinions as well, you know. And
Yeah, and what you
Give
want
me
to
Also,
opinions
give
की-
us suggestions
what
कि ये ऐसे टाइप का गेम के topics क्या होने चाहिए next time के लिए.
Yes, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Also, so
the themes.
one thing, I mean, I'd like to tell everybody on the podcast and everybody watching the podcast is that when we were imagining this, at least in my head, I imagined these topics to be variating in terms of how intense they are. You know, so today we are discussing food. Tomorrow we might discuss if like the college system or the education system in our country is failing us altogether. Or is One Direction worth the hype that it gets? I don't know, just random.
Oh,
Like,
shut the fuck up.
I mean,
that's
I mean,
not, no.
there are no boundaries as to what we'll cover. We can cover anything and everything.
yeah. So as Rutvik said, we hope that you comment down below and tell us what we would like to see us
And
talk
matlab
about.
karo.
What you guys would like to see us cover
Yeah.
in the future.
Yeah, so I took the
Yeah.
idea. So I took this idea from a YouTube channel called Jubilee, who they have a similar game show called, I think, Spectrum. However, their game show is much better and much more sophisticated because they are a proper
Corporation.
yeah.
But Madcast is amazing.
And then they do it in a bit of a more a different
Intense
way than
topics.
we do. We just use cards. They like move.
So
each other
basically-
around and, you know,
We inspired this thing from those people.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes. They inspired us.
we are the off-brand Jubilee for now, if they might,
Yeah.
if I may say so. Please don't strike us down, Jubilee.
Yeah, please.
We'll have you
Peace.
guys.
Okay.
Anyway, that being said, it's been an amazing video. It's been very entertaining for us to do it, and I hope it's just as entertaining for everybody watching.
What?
And
Yeah.
and I hope
Sorry, I'm addicted.
that y'all come back and watch us do more things with our channel.
Yeah.
I know we are primarily a podcast channel. That is definitely going to happen forever. But then with like everybody watching, with your agreement and your क्या कहते हैं दुआएं,
Liking.
if I may.
Yeah.
Yeah. We will try many more things, such as this game show and a few more that I have in my mind and everybody else. So yeah, I hope to see you guys here the next time. Until then,
Stay safe.
we've been
home.
amazing.
Bye guys. Stay home.
Yeah.
Please
Yes.
wear masks if you're going out. All that. Bye.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, follow the
Yeah.
guidelines.
Yeah.
Yeah. The end got much more boring than I
Should
was.
just stay here.
Yeah. Spread love, spread peace, and love for
1, 2,
forever.
3.
And now,
Bye.
and Rutvik forgot that this was my fifth channel. But anyway.